Today, what is the company size, for example, number of people to design this kind of stuff?
Today we have 5 R&D sites, 4 in France, 1 in Spain, about to open in Italy. We have 200 persons and it's around 150 engineers. So 75% of the staff is R&D centric.
And to design stuff, so you design the CPU, and how do you design it? It's basically a paper and pencil, or it's
on the whiteboard, so it's so easy to do. Now, we first, in terms of R&D, we have about half of the R&D is software, half of the R&D is hardware design. Why software? Because we need guys to develop a Linux kernel, BIOS, and all the components you have in a motherboard. And after, for the hardware, the design of the chip, you have different expertise from architecture, design itself, implementation, which is the way they are going to draw all the tracks and the gates in the chip, and a team which is the one focused on production that will drive TSMC and to ensure that when the chip are back from the factory, they are working perfectly.
Ordering a chip at TSMC is not like just drag and drop a chip and click add on the car.
No, and especially because when you spend a couple $1,000 million for the fab, you are not going to send it as is. So it has to be fully tested, emulated, simulated before to ensure that what you send to TSMC is exactly what you want it to do at the
simulation is something simple, I feel, no?
Yes, also it's so easy. No, it's easy to simulate when you have one gate. So one basic element on the chip.
When I was in engineering school, I do it. I have done my own CPU and simulated it.